Good morning, top hands. So today is Sunday, Father's Day, so it's June, what, 21? Yep, June 21st. So for sure, if you haven't watched the video from yesterday, I think it's called Hay Season 2020 is underway. Go back and check that out. I really kind of talked a lot about why we lay out the field the way we do. You know, just some ins and outs of mowing hay. Go check that out and pop back over and watch this video. So this video will be all about raking and baling.
A little bit damp yet, but maybe another hour or so we can go. See there? Maybe another couple hours. What time is it now? 9, I think about 10:30 we can start. Don't you?
I don't know, let's look at it. Well, this is up here, some of the heavier. It's still a little green, but we got a really good breeze coming across here out of the south. If that sun would ever come out from behind them clouds, it would help a lot.
That's a little green back there.
Yep. So what he's doing there when he's twisting that around, that's how we check
It's popping though.
for the moisture. You kind of want it to pop. And he's getting some pop in there, but there's still some damp green hay there on the bottom.
You're ready to go for some.
And that's probably just from the dew overnight, you know. That's just how we tell. It's not that scientific, you know. Our baler doesn't have a moisture monitor and all that on it. But this is how we've been doing it my entire life, and he's done it his entire life, and it works. So we just kind of know. So yesterday when I got in from mowing, my wife said, "You smell like the tractor. You can't sit on the furniture." I'm like, "Well, what does a tractor smell like?" I didn't know it was that bad of a thing. So this is for you, dear. I went ahead and picked up some new car smell to put in all the tractors this morning when I went and got the ice for the ice chest. So hopefully it'll be like having a new tractor. They didn't have new tractor smell. I looked. Pretty bummed about that, but we'll go with the new car. I'm gonna have to be baling right behind the rake because I'm guessing the windrows are gonna be blowing. I'm gonna come back here and let my pickup down. This right here, we let this pickup down right there. I don't know if you can see it going down or not. That lets it get down there and pick the hay up good. Probably gonna have to pull the pins on his rake. Pull this pin. Dropped it, of course.
Oh, wait a minute.
Alright, I got the bales set to 0. Alright, everybody cross your fingers that this thing works. I'm gonna bet that first bale we make, the net doesn't start. I'm probably gonna have to get out, work on that. That seems to be a thing every time after the baler sits for a while. All right, we're baling. Let's roll. Like I say, hopefully it'll wrap that first bale, but we'll see. We may have to get out and mess with the rack. Yeah, the wind is blowing that windrow already. I got the baler set to 62 inches, so just a little over 5 foot. I think the calibration's off. So at 62 inches on the monitor makes these bales right at 5 foot tall. So these are going to be 4x5 bales, and that rake is way too wide. We're going to have to open it up. He's making a big mess. He's balling it up and he don't even know. He needs to look behind him. We got to fix that. Not how I wanted to start this out. He'll never look behind him. There ain't no telling how far we're going to go like that, and it's going to be a nightmare. Come on, Big Pops, look behind you. Stop out here and work on that. Alright, so what happened there was when we finished up last season, we were square baling. And we had to make narrower windrows. So we had narrowed that rake up, and then in this heavy hay, that outlet was too narrow, and it wasn't letting that hay feed through. So I adjusted the back of that rake, the opening where the hay is coming out. I made it wider. This round baler needs wider windrows anyway, so the wider the windrow, the less I have to weave like this to make a square bale, you know, a square shoulder bale. Well, let's see what happens here. And it didn't go just like I expected. Alright, well, we've been fighting it. So whenever we did the cleanup on the baler, if you watch that video a couple videos back, we blew everything out, greased everything. Well, part of that, see if you can see that rolling net through that little hole there. On top of the rolling net, there's a roller that comes down, and that helps give tension on that net. So whenever those knives drop, back there where that big black tarp is, when that knife drops down, it allows tension on there to cut the net. Well, I neglected to put that back down. I got one. So I had neglected to put that down, so the net wasn't cutting, nor another part of that little roller that comes down on top of there is it has a sensor on there to tell this monitor that the net is feeding. Alright, old man, you're gonna have to crank her up. So we got my dad in the rake tractor today. Grandpa's back there just watching. He's gonna have to really grab another gear. This is going to take all day long. Yeah, you're going to have to go, dude, like for real. Alright, so let's see what happens here. Alright, the net picked up that time. It's feeding. That's working like it should. The arm's going down. Bam, it cut it. Yes. A successful bale of hay from start to finish without any interference by me. Had to get out and cut the net. Ladies and gentlemen, should have got. It's been a rough day. Kept having problems with my net. It kept ripping. And any of you guys that's been around net wrap balers, you know when that stuff rips, it's a mess. It probably would have been some good footage of me ranting and raving and cussing and fussing, but I don't know how appropriate it would have been. So we're headed to the house now, and I'll try to get some better footage next time, guys, when things are running a little better. Thanks for hanging in there with me.